In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Grok. By the end, you'll be fully registered and ready to use the platform, whether you prefer a one-click sign-up with an existing account or a quick email verification. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Grok. In the results, look for the official Grok website. It should clearly indicate the brand and take you to the main homepage. If you see ads or similarly named services, take an extra second to confirm you're on the correct site before you continue. Once you're on the homepage, find the Sign Up option, usually located at the top right. Click it to open the registration options. You'll see choices to sign up with Google or Apple, as well as a manual option with email. If you want the fastest route, choose Sign Up with Google or Sign Up with Apple. Select the account you want to use and approve the standard connection prompt. This method uses your existing login with that provider, so you don't have to create a new password for Grok, and it benefits from any security you already have set up, like two-factor authentication. It's quick, secure, and ideal if you prefer fewer credentials to manage. If you'd rather sign up manually, click Sign Up with Email. Enter the email address you want tied to your Grok account. Take a moment to double-check for typos. This matters because the next step depends on receiving a verification code. When you continue, Grok will send a code to your inbox. Now go to your email and look for the message from Grok containing the verification code. If it's not in your primary inbox, check your spam or promotions folder. These codes typically expire, so keep the Sign Up tab open and grab the code as soon as it arrives. Return to the Grok Sign Up page and enter the code exactly as shown. Watch out for similar characters like 0 and the letter O. If the code has expired or doesn't work, request a new one and try again. And that's it. Your account is created. Depending on the timing and your region, you might see a prompt to accept terms or complete a short profile. Follow any on-screen steps, then you're ready to explore Grok. As a quick tip, bookmark the site for easy access later, and consider enabling extra security in your account settings. Enjoy your new account and have fun exploring what Grok can do.